Ma'am,
How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you for asking.
Okay, so I'm also great. And so your first time here.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
please let me introduce first yourself.
Okay, let me introduce myself in very brief. I am Hitakshi Duhare. I am from Bhopal and I completed my schooling from Kendriya Vidyalaya number 3, second shift Bhopal, and I completed my graduation from BCom, and my college is Sarojini Naidu, which is known as Nutan College also. And currently I am pursuing my B.Ed degree from Lakshmipati Institute of Science and Technology, Bhopal.
Okay, great, Hitakshi. It's really lovely introduction here. So yes, my today's topic is traveling. So do you like traveling? Can we discuss?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so actually, I have some questions and I'm asking to you. And if you have and you give to reply, okay? You have to
Okay.
reply. So shall I start?
Yes, ma'am, you can start.
Okay. So my first question is, do you like traveling?
Yes, ma'am, I like traveling.
Okay. So where do you prefer yourself to travel?
Um, Ma'am, I like to prefer to travel in a mountain area or greenery surrounding area.
Okay, maybe something is wrong in this.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So let's start.
Mhm.
First question is, do you prefer traveling alone or with others? Means like your family or friends?
Ma'am, actually, I like to travel with my family, not alone.
Okay. Hmm. Okay. So next question is, what is your favorite place? Do you have visited?
Ma'am, actually, there are so many places I have visited, but one of my favorite places, Dhuadhar Waterfall, which is situated in Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh.
Okay. So could you describe your experience?
Yes, ma'am, sure, I can describe my experience because it's a very beautiful waterfall which I ever seen, and it is famous for because from that waterfall we can all every time we can see smoke. It just look like a mist. That's why it's a natural beauty situated near the Narmada River. Right.
Okay. Narmada River means a spiritual river, holy river, we can say.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
I wish I would go there. Actually, I did not go there, Jabalpur. It's Jabalpur now.
Yes, ma'am.
So
It's
I'm also belong near to Jabalpur, but
okay.
I did not go anywhere. Okay, so let's start. Next question is, which city would you like to visit and why?
Um, the city, it's not any city. Actually, I want to travel the whole India first. After that, I can prefer foreign countries. Um, because in India has a rich culture of heritage, so there are so many places where I want to visit with my family or
Okay.
friends.
Okay. My next question is,
Mhm.
what kind of weather do you enjoy while traveling?
Ma'am, like in autumn season, I prefer, or in winters also. Not in summers and not in rainy.
Okay, why? Why not in rainy?
Um, Ma'am, rainy season is good, but sometimes I prefer to travel in autumn season and in winter season. Yeah.
Okay.
If we want to travel in rainy, then we have to travel Maharashtra because there is so much greenery at that time.
Okay. So, is any place where you want to visit in rainy season?
Yes, ma'am. Just 2 years ago, I visited in Lonavala and Khandala in Maharashtra, and it's a very beautiful place, famous for the mountain and hilly areas, natural greenery, and dams. So,
Yes, I heard about Khandala, and it is also said that we should go there in rainy season.
yes, ma'am. It's true that we should go there in rainy season, and I visited in July month.
Okay, good, very good. Your next question is, Have you ever had have you ever had a bad experience in traveling? If you had, please share it.
No, ma'am, not any bad experience, but sometimes you can say that the train may get delayed,
Okay,
but not
so
any
it's
other.
normal.
But not any other bad experience because actually the experience was good, amazing, and wonderful.
Okay. So means according to you, you visited many places.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, with your family.
Yes, ma'am, with my family, not alone.
Okay. Okay, it's okay. So if you get a chance to travel with your friends, so what do you do?
Ma'am, if I get a chance to visit travel with my friend, then I firstly prefer to go Pachmani.
Okay, it's a really beautiful place.
Yes, ma'am. It's a hill
So do
station
you know?
in Madhya Pradesh.
Yes. Do you know anything about Pachmadi?
Ma'am, there are so many caves, forest area, greenery. Actually, I want. It's my dream to visit there.
Okay. Okay, it's okay. I have also a dream to visit there, Pachmadi.
Okay. Hmm.
And I also really love to traveling. Okay, and
Yes, ma'am.
I travel many places, but I
Hmm.
did not go any big place for traveling. So
Okay.
like Pachmadi, Khandagiri is also. I'm not okay. Next question is: have you ever tried local food while traveling?
Yes, ma'am. I tried. Mostly prefer local food while traveling.
Okay, local food means it's street food.
Ma'am, in Maharashtra, there is vada pav is famous and
Okay,
thali
so you
means
tried.
yes, ma'am. And in MP, the poha jalebi, as you are also from MP, so you know very well.
Yes, you are absolutely right. I'm from MP, so I know where like samosas and poha jalebi in
Poha
Indore,
jalebi,
samosas
dal
in
bafle
yes,
also.
Bhopal and Satna Rewa, yes. And if
Hmm.
I talk about Maharashtra, I born and bought in Maharashtra. After marriage, I shifted MP, so I have also
Okay.
experienced in Maharashtra. Means you said that vada pav, yes, of course, vada pav is
Hmm.
really very famous there.
Yes,
And many Mumbai peoples are depend on only vada pav.
yes,
Means
ma'am.
it's a type of food there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just like the MP people are depend on poha jalebi, so the Maharashtrian people are depend on vada pav.
Okay. MP people depend upon poha jalebi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 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 Uh, okay. Our next question is:
Hmm.
do you prefer mountain, beaches, or city area for traveling?
Ma'am, I can prefer the mountain areas just because
Why?
I love to tracking places. That's why.
Why do you like mountain places?
Ma'am, because I think there are more peace as comparison to city areas and other beaches. Mountain by visit to mountain area, there are so much peace. I just love it. There are so much greenery also.
Okay. So which mountain area do you like most for traveling?
Mm, but if I get a chance to visit, then I prefer to go Rishikesh.
Okay, Rishikesh and Jammu Kashmir.
Yes, ma'am.
And any other place means which is your dream place and you would like to go there?
Ma'am, actually, my dream place is to visit Kedarnath.
Okay, Kedarnath.
Yes, ma'am.
So you would like to go there.
Yes, ma'am. I would, but I think there is some network
Yes,
issue. That
now it's okay. It's okay. Now means okay. It's a dream place. Your dream place is Kedarnath. Okay, so you would
yes,
like
ma'am.
to go there. So let me know about that place.
Um, ma'am, Kedarnath is famous for the Shiva temple. Jyotirling. It was one of the Jyotirling. That's I have to visit there.
Yes, of course. And these days, I can see that we can see that Kedarnath, there are many peoples go there. It is normal nowadays to go Kailash Parvat.
Yes,
Means not near Kailash Parvat, but nearby Kailash, and they parikrama Kailash Parvat, and they go Mansarovar Jheel and Amarnath, Kedarnath. Means these days. This is a normal place and people often
yes,
go there. So
yeah.
of course, after watching them and after seeing them, I also means I'm excited to go there. I don't know whether I will go or not, but yes, of course, you're absolutely right. We all wanted to go there, and I think this place are everybody's willing place.
Yes, ma'am.
So there is one more thing, Hitakshi. What do
Mm-hmm.
you think about like see people's heart go there, okay, all people go there, they prefer to themselves, they go like Jammu Kashmir and mountains area, snowy area, cool area, and these are peaceful place, okay, and clean place,
Yes, ma'am.
but people when people go there they make
Mm-hmm.
those areas dirty and unclean. So what do you think about that?
Ma'am, actually, it's not a good thing as a visitor or as a responsible citizen of a country. It's our duty to make our surroundings clean and neat. If we can go anywhere, not in our home, we can make everything clean and neat. We don't need to put garbage here and there. Just throw it in dustbin only. And government also support some cleanliness programs and cleanliness drives. So every people must give their support in it.
Yes, because nowadays I read on newspaper as well as I saw on the reels on videos some the people who means I can say mountaineers. Okay,
Hmm.
mountaineers. They also go up top of the hills and they make garbage there.
Yes,
They
ma'am.
don't put like bottles, polythenes, and all those things. They never put on the dust in the dustbin. Okay, they throw their garbage here and there. So, what is
But
the responsibility of the citizens and every people? So, what is from your side? What is your idea?
ma'am, I think it's a major responsibility of ours that we don't have to put garbage here and there. Always keep our surrounding clean. If we can saw any other person that they can throw garbage in there, so we could stop them and aware them about the cleanliness. Tell them not to throw garbage. Only put them in dustbin only.
Okay. Hence, my next question is, how often do you travel?
Ma'am, actually, I often travel once in a year. Not every month, but once in a year.
Okay, means you go once a year for traveling. Okay, visited many places.
Yes.
So, how many
Hmm.
places have you visited now? Have you remember?
Um, Ma'am, I visited in Jyotirlings. I visited Mahakaleshwar, Omkareshwar, and Mandu, which is known as Mandavgarh. And
Yes.
ma'am, I visited Lonavala, Khandala, Mumbai, Juhu Beach, Jabalpur also.
Okay. So if you get chance, okay, if you get chance to go for campaigning, so would you like to go there? And with whom?
Ma'am, if I got a chance to go for campaigning, then I prefer to go with my friends.
And how do you want to enjoy there?
Um, Ma'am, just like I saw in movies and in videos, that that if a person go for a campaigning, that they can make the tent to stay there. So I also want to make a tent where I should go for campaigning, stay with my friends, and visited the most famous places nearby, and eat the local foods or street foods which are famous there.
Okay, so what do you think? Traveling is related to study or not? Is it
Yes,
useful or yes?
yes, ma'am. It's related to study and it's very useful. As a social science teacher, I know that India is a rich heritage of culture. So India is that country. There are so many things we have to visit it. So if we can travel, we can clearly know about that particular place. So I think
Yes.
it's very useful for us.
Yes, I think we should travel because I have read on somewhere on book. If you are, if you don't want to read a book, then you visit all the world. And if you
Yes,
don't want to travel whole India, whole country, at that time you must read the book.
yes, ma'am.
So
It's
I think
absolutely
yes, when you are travel, you learn many things. So
yes,
would
ma'am.
you like to share what do you learn at when you are traveling in other place, other states?
Mm. Ma'am, if we go different parts of the country, then we should know about their culture, their citizen, the
Yes.
people they are living there, their standard of living. We should know how they can live, how they can maintain their heritage culture.
Yes, of course. When we visit now and when we travel, okay, we
Hmm.
learn many things, whether it
Yes,
is train, whether it is in bus, because there are at that time we meet many people, okay, different kinds of people. So if at that time we know about their traditions, their culture, their religion, their food, their dress, and
yes,
so
ma'am, and we
many
should
things.
also
And
learn
I
their
think
languages also.
yes, of course, and their languages also, whether you are able to understand or not able to understand their language. But I think when you listen now, so it's sounds like a music
Yes, ma'am.
because I have a little bit experience, not much more.
Mm-hmm.
So it's like sounds music, okay?
Uh,
So sometimes people they don't understand our language, we don't understand their language. So at that time, sign language is useful. At that time, sign language is useful for us.
yes,
So,
ma'am.
means whatever, whenever and whatever I travel as so far, I
Mm-hmm.
learn many things. Means I learn their culture, their religions, their and I like. I'm fond of. I can say I'm fond of cooking and eating both. So
Okay.
I like their dishes. Yes, of course. I try to make different type of dishes, like Gujarati and South Indian and I can say Punjabi. So I like
Okay.
to cook for different states food. So yes, of course, traveling is really very useful and fruitful for us.
Yes, ma'am, it's really useful. We can gain more knowledge and also we take some break from our daily routine life.
Yes, yes. So have you any which type of weather? Yeah, sorry. Describe your best travel experience. Means you travel many
Hmm.
places, you have lots of experience, so you have to share here only one your best, means which is your best one experience you have to share.
Ma'am, there are so many experience, but I would like to share my Lonavala experience. Because
Okay.
my cousin sister is live in Pune and the Lonavala is nearby Pune city. So in July 2024, I visited there and in my sister's house. Then I go with her and my other cousins. And Lonavala is such a beautiful place. There are so much greenery. I visited the Tiger Point and Bhoshi Dam. And Tiger Point is that place of the Lonavala where in the 12 months of in a 12 months of a year all the time there is rain rainy season, so it looks so beautiful and so memorable. And Bushi Dam is a highest dam of the Lonavala, so we have visited the top side of the dam and see
Okay, so
tigers also. And in rainy season, there are lots of tourists will come here to visit the Lonavala place.
so what is the famous things in Lonavala?
Ma'am, the famous thing is right the Tiger Point and the Bhushi Dam, which I visited in Lonavala.
Okay, Tiger Point. So when you went there, did you see tiger?
Uh, Ma'am, due to rain, I can't see tiger, but
Okay.
I just heard that it's called Tiger Point because there are lots of tiger came here.
Okay, but you did not see. Means you haven't an experience.
I can see tiger
Okay,
in
and
Madhya
what is the
Pradesh in Manbihar.
okay? Okay, means you saw, but in MP, not in Maharashtra.
Yes, ma'am, not in Maharashtra.
Okay, but you visited there.
Yes.
Okay, first thing is Tiger Point, and second, what about second point?
Bhushi Dam,
See?
ma'am. Bhushi Dam.
Okay, what is this?
Ma'am, it's a dam just like in Bhopal there are Kalyasot Dam and Kerwa Dam. So Bhushi Dam is a
Okay,
dam which is situated in Lonavala, and it's a very highest dam of the Lona in Maharashtra. You can say that.
okay. So, what experience did you have there?
Ma'am, I enjoyed a lot there. Go with my sister and my brother-in-law, my sister's husband, and with other cousins also. And it's rain at that time, so we can enjoy it a lot, clicking so much photos and videos.
Okay, Hitakshi. So thank you so much coming with me and join with me. I'm really very happy to listen you, and your answer is really absolutely very fantastic, amazing and lovely. So I'm
Thank
really very
you.
thankful to you. Thank you so much.
Thanks to you, ma'am.
Okay. So bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.